Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm talking about Coinbase, which is still one of my largest holdings. Why I'm bullish on it. This is just one reason, but it is a diversified play on crypto. So I think a lot of people think that Coinbase has a lot more risk than Bitcoin does, or a lot more risk than Ethereum does, because it's a company. Even if those things do well, they still have competition. There's other ones, trying to take their lunch, FTX, for example. And also there's no guarantee that they will be profitable in the future, which I think are some significant risks that Coinbase does face. However, I think the bear market has actually wiped out a lot of their competition. And it's also shown that they have much better management of their finances than a lot of these companies that were wiped out, that were, doing dealings with Three Arrows Capital, or had a lot of money invested in Luna, where Coinbase wasn't involved in either of those things. So that kind of highlights their better management. But anyways, that's a bit of a tangent. Yes, there is risk in them executing well on their business. That is an added risk relative to just buying Bitcoin or buying Ethereum. But then you also have to take into account that you have diversified risk in terms of Coinbase can do well as long as crypto in general does well. So say Ethereum ends up flipping Bitcoin. Is that good or bad for Coinbase? Ultimately, it's good. As long as crypto is going up and doing well, then Coinbase is good. Also the other way, if Bitcoin continues to be king and crypto does well, that's still good for Coinbase. So I think the diversified play on crypto, Coinbase is just a great play, in my opinion. I've continued to buy. At this point, I'm good unless it goes below $60, but I've definitely built up a pretty significant position. And the multiples are still so low. The price to sales multiple, I believe, is like 2.5. It might go higher after they report earnings, because they may lower their revenue, their trailing 12-month revenue. But I just think the multiples are so low. This diversified play on crypto is basically being priced as though bankruptcy is a realistic possibility, which of course it's always a possibility, especially with a company that's not always profitable. So yes, that is somewhat of a possibility, but I think it's being priced in as a high probability, when I think it's a very, 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 very low. And it's also being priced as though its best days are behind it. Like, it's never going to have more revenue than it's had in the past, which I'd be willing to bet that crypto is a growing industry. Yes, we're in a bear market right now, but I think ultimately the market cap of crypto will be higher. It will make new all-time highs, whether that's because Bitcoin does well or Ethereum does well, or a new one comes out of nowhere and does really well. Either way, all of these benefit Coinbase. And that's kind of my bull case on Coinbase. So if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe. See you next video.